is no transition to summer this week. We go right into it. Today, we are going to be hot and muggy. The high 91, the heat index today 94. There's a big giant warm front coming in today, and that's what's going to help us get that warm. Tomorrow 87, still very humid, and then on Wednesday we hit 91, a heat index of 97. Thursday we hit 90, the heat index 93. It'll be on Friday when we start to see a little bit of relief. Now it is in the 60s early this morning, and it's cloudy. We will see increasing sunshine as the day goes on. At noon, 78 degrees, and by 4 p.m. it'll already be 89. And that, of course, you saw that thunderstorm icon. We are going to see a few storms bubbling up later today, which we'll get to in just a minute. The high in Des Moines, 91 today, upper 80s to low 90s in southern Iowa, mid to upper 80s farther to the north, and to top it all off, it'll be very windy today. That wind coming from the south, gusting as high as 35 to 40 miles per hour. That wind will start to subside and get a little bit lighter this evening. So when you factor in the temperatures and the humidity, by 2 o'clock that heat index will be around 90. By 4 p.m. it'll feel like 94. It's been a long time since we've had temperatures this high. The heat, the humidity, the wind, it is all going to contribute to the formation of a few strong to severe storms later today. The primary risk will be large hail. However, we can't rule out 1 or 2 spin-up tornadoes, a few damaging wind gusts in a few storms, and then flash flooding if storms stay over the same areas for long periods of time. This is the level 2 risk outlined by the Storm Prediction Center. It includes Metro Des Moines and areas to the north and east, and then the same area highlighted in brown here is where the greatest risk for a spin-up tornado will be. The farther west we go, the lower the likelihood for any strong to severe storms. Most of this appears to be north and east of Des Moines. So let's walk through Futurecast. It's cloudy this morning. I will pause this around 5 p.m. We will have sunshine by that point. There's still a lid on the atmosphere late this afternoon and early this evening that will suppress storm development, but by 6 to 7 p.m. a few cells will start to pop up, and those could quickly turn strong right over central Iowa, moving to the east and northeast. I still think Futurecast is underdoing how much storm activity we will see in the early evening. It becomes a bit more widespread overnight. This is around 9 o'clock, so late this evening, and we will see those continuing through about 10 or 11 o'clock, pushing to the northeast. Models have not been handling this well at all. Just know that after 5 p.m. is when those storms could start to fire up, and not everyone will see storms. Many areas will wind up staying dry. Tomorrow morning, it is expected to be cloudy. Here's our Holt Plumbing and Heating 10-day forecast. The high 87 tomorrow, low 90s on Wednesday, Thursday. The storm chance does increase Friday into Saturday, and that's also as temperatures go down. We will be in the 70s this weekend and early next week.